Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a try-on haul for the brand Zeagoo. On the website you'll be able to find many different categories starting from like dresses, outerwear, sweaters, coats, you name it. They have a huge selection of different beautiful clothing. So since we are still in the winter time, I decided to do a winter try-on haul on some super adorable winter dresses and then also some adorable coats and sweaters. I can't wait to share with you all the cute items that I picked up from their website. I'll link their website down below so you can check them out and shop online. I also have a coupon code which I will list down below so that way you can shop and save some money. But I highly recommend you check out their website at zeagoo.com. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with the try-on haul. Now it's time for some sweaters. I love this sweater so much. This sweater is just screaming out Valentine's Day. It is absolutely stunning. I love the detail on the sweater. It has little red hearts throughout the entire sweater. It's pink and it is just so cozy and so comfy. This is definitely great for these cold winter months and it is absolutely beautiful. This has got to be one of the cutest sweaters I own in my closet, but I am so happy with this beautiful sweater and I love how it has this like V-neck detail on it. Isn't it just so pretty? Like, this is definitely going to be my outfit for Valentine's. Up next, I have this gorgeous baby pink turtleneck sweater dress. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love this color. It's like the perfect shade of pink and it's long enough to be able to be used as a sweater dress. So let me go ahead and try this one on. Okay, can we just talk about the color and the style of this sweater dress? It is absolutely beautiful. It is so soft and the turtleneck detail here is perfect because it's not like super tight around the neck, so it's just like the perfect type of turtleneck sweater that I like to wear. It's very comfy and the sleeves are a little bit more on like the looser side, so it's definitely a very comfortable sweater and it goes all the way down to almost your knees. So like I said, you can definitely use this as a sweater dress or you can just pair it up with some leggings like I am and then some boots. Baby, I got it. When you feel like falling, I'll be there. So up next I have this gorgeous light beige hoodie sweater. It does have the button detail so you can definitely leave it open or closed and it has a hoodie in the back which I really love. I find these kinds of sweaters to be just super comfortable and easy to wear and you can definitely dress this up or down. Okay, so this sweater is so pretty. I really love this little detail here in the front because it has the buttons and then it's like a little bit open here in the front. So it definitely looks very like dressy but casual at the same time, if you know what I mean. And then it also has a little hoodie in the back so you can use if you want to just use it like a loungewear. But I really love this sweater. Again, the material is super soft, very nice material. It's not like super thick, so it's very breathable at the same time. It does come in many colors, but I chose this color because I think it's just very versatile and you can style it in many different ways. That baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route. Yeah. Baby, I got you. The details on this sweater is just everything. Like, oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear this piece out. This sweater is incredible. Like, I love the details on this sweater. It has this little see-through detail all throughout the sweater. It is so soft and it has my favorite V-neck, which I really love. I think they just look so casual but dressy at the same time. And it is just such a soft sweater and it's absolutely beautiful, not to mention the color. Like, this pink is just perfection. Like, look how pretty this is. This is my first trench coat and it's pink. This is like amazing. Look how beautiful this trench coat is. It's so pretty and it comes in multiple colors. You can definitely dress this up or down, but I really love this shade of pink. It is so beautiful. You can use it for the springtime, for the winter time, even for the fall. Let me go ahead and try this on so you can see how gorgeous this trench coat is. This has got to be the prettiest trench coat I've ever seen. Not only do I love the color, but I love the details throughout the whole little coat. It is just so pretty. It has nice details here in the neck area, and it also has this little drawstring to close it in place and 2 side pockets, as well as the details here for the sleeve, so you can definitely roll it up or down. But I think if you leave it open like this, just rolled up, it adds more elegance to it. Absolutely adore this trench coat. Like, I am obsessed with it. Up next, I have this incredibly soft teddy bear coat, and I just love this color. Like, it is absolutely stunning. You can definitely wear this in so many different ways and with so many different outfits. This little coat reminds me of a teddy bear. It is so soft. It's almost like in this like super soft plush material. It literally feels like I'm hugging a teddy bear, but it's not like super thick, so you're not going to overheat in this, which I really love. And it's almost like a short coat. It's beautiful. You can definitely pair this up with some jeans, some boots, and it is so pretty. It does have little buttons in the front, and then it has this detail here on the neck area, which adds a lot of elegance to it. I feel your heartbeat. Something about you. Next, I have this adorable short coat. It's made out of this like incredibly soft plush material, and I just love the print on this coat. So this next coat is also super soft, very comfy, and it's in this beautiful soft plush material, just like the other ones, almost like a teddy bear. So soft yet very breathable, so you're not going to overheat in it. And this one here has a little bit more detail, so it does have all these little buttons here on the front. It also has this gorgeous detail here in the neck area. It comes with 2 little pockets here in the front. That makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. Up next, I have this long cozy coat. It's like a plush coat, and it's so soft. It's perfect for a night out. It's definitely very elegant because it's one of those coats that goes all the way down below your knees. But let me go ahead and try this on to show you how pretty this one is. This coat makes me feel like a celebrity. Love this sweater so much. It's so soft, very cozy. Also, it's made out of that plush material, yet it's very breathable. And look at the details on this beautiful sweater. It's almost like a coat. It's like a long coat. It does have little side pockets, and it does have buttons, so you can button it all the way down. But I like how it looks open like this. It just reminds me so much of like celebrities. Like, so pretty. This does go below your knees. So I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Just stay till the morning. So let's move on to some dresses. I know we're in the winter time, but Valentine's is coming up, and I love to wear dresses. It is a sheer, and it has this kind of like corset top here. It's almost like fitted, and it looks incredible on. So let me go ahead and try it on, but this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to wear for Valentine's Day. So this dress right here is just perfect for a date night, to go out, and it is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love the details on this dress. It is super soft, made out of this really soft mesh material, but it's very stretchy at the same time, and it has these really nice details here on the sleeves, which is like ruched detail. Literally love this dress so much. I can't wait to wear this out. And it also has this like really nice detail here in the neck area, which you can adjust. It just adds like a little bit of detail to the dress and makes it look so elegant. The top right here is like a corset, and it does have like a built-in like wired bra, so you don't necessarily have to wear a bra. It is pretty padded, so you don't need to have a bra underneath it, which is great. And I just love this dress like so much. I think it's absolutely stunning. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you fall
tonight. We could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So this dress is super versatile. You can definitely wear this in the winter time, in the summer, spring, even in the fall. It's made out of this super nice thin material. It is long enough to be worn with boots. It does have long sleeves. They are more like sheer material, and it has these little like polka dots throughout the whole entire dress. This dress is so pretty. I love everything about it. I love the color. I love the details. It has like a sheer material here on the sleeves, and it also has like sheer all throughout the dress, but it does have a little slip on the bottom so it's not see-through. It is so pretty, very, very comfy. It also has this like ruched detail here in the middle, which is so pretty. It makes it look like fitted, and it's nice and like flowy on the bottom.
With me now till the morning light. Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make.
So this next dress is very similar to the other style I showed you, but this one here has a little bit of different style on the sleeve. It has this fitted section right here, which gives it kind of like a balloon effect on the sleeves. And can we just talk about the color in this dress? It is so pretty. Wow, I am obsessed with this dress. It is so pretty. It's gorgeous. Like, not only do I love the style of the dress, but also the color. It is perfect. It is gorgeous, and I really love the detail on the sleeve. I didn't know how I was gonna like it, but oh my goodness, I am obsessed. It almost kind of like gives you this like really nice detail here. It's almost like a little balloon sleeve, but it's very, very elegant.
Your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen.
So that was everything for my Zeagoo try on haul. I really hope you loved it. I will link everything that I showed in today's video down below, as well as the coupon code. Make sure to check out their website and shop all their beautiful selection. I really hope you loved today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!